Talk to address some issue concerning Anioma state creation and the inclusion of people of Igbanke into the Anioma state. So a few weeks ago, I saw some people from Benin protesting on the street that they should not include Igbanke into Anioma state when being created by the grace of God. Even some of their senators even wrote a petition against Senator Ned Nwoko, saying that he want to carve Igbanke out from Edo State to join Anioma. Come, Mr. Senator, when go write that petition, you know the shame. You know do your find this before you come to talk say Senator Ned Nwoko want carve Igbanke come from Edo State join Anioma. You know go find out. You know the shame. Mr. Senator Ned Nwoko never one day come our land, come meet our king, say, make the country in Anioma state. He never one day come tell our chief, our people, Igbanke, say make the country in Anioma state. No. Now we by ourselves, carry our leg, carry ourselves, go meet them. Say we want join Anioma state. If they don't create Anioma, say we want join. Yes. Now we by ourselves, our king, our chief, we the people of Igbanke. Now we go meet them. Now we go tell us, say we want join Anioma. He not come tell us, say we can join. Now we carry ourselves, go meet them. Why do they write a stupid petition against innocent man? Why? One of the protest, see me they don't add Igbanke. One of the protest, one of the right petition. Now we the people of Igbanke by ourselves go meet and tell us say we want join Anioma state. Go see Igbanke. See General Hospital when our late father Samuel Obumudi had built that time, I think many years ago. Yes, I call him our father. I know say now then do I take cover Igbanke join Anioma join Edo State that time. Igbanke not be Edo, will not be Benin. Now then I ain't doing they do whatever they do him and them and that set. They come carry Igbanke enter Edo State. Well, I not blame him, sure. I not blame him. And they protest. Go see the hospital where they there for how many years. I watch one of our brother, Easy TV Nigeria, when he went there to interview some of the patients there in the hospital. Can you imagine that there is no equipment in the hospital to take care of patients in the hospital? From a hospital, from Igbanke General Hospital, they transfer the patient there to Agbo. Can you imagine? No light for how many months in Igbanke? Benin people are not talking about that. The governor they are not talking about that. There is no light in Igbanke. Igbanke people don't try. They don't try to do the light. If they don't finish, they just this one spoil. They will see do them again. They contribute money. Then do them. They say that one spoil. They send a transformer. They buy transformer. What did they not do? Igbanke people don't do the entire and they can't leave them. Yes, we have done enough now. We don't try. Igbanke don't do. Still here they say light spoil. Whether not from Benin there, then they do them. Nobody know. Whether not from Benin, then they do them. Similar they offer. Because I think our light they come from Agbo. Today now, Igbanke dey total darkness. Almost 4 months. The light they not do them. They go they create security. Those state Benin, that is those state security outfits. Now that way they tell us say we need. Igbanke get that vigilante. We get them. Aki get, only they get. Ota get, the Modin get, Igboto get, Omo get, they are vigilante. They are really working. Yes, they are really doing very, 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 very well. When I go to create security, the light where they there, Mr. Dalon Osareme, you know say no light for your community. You are the chairman of local government. You know say no light, you go to create security. And there's some of our people where they talk say he try. More prison say he try so that if he do another one again. Not do another one again. You not try anything. My name no BIC. I'm from Omoha Ake. That can not be and when you Moha, Onyake. You not try anything, Mr. Dalen Osareme, the owner of local government chairman. You not try anything. If you try, no decide when for try. Not before Igbanke. We need a protest. People say they don't need to now again. When I see the protest, when I see gun then join body. No, no, they shame. Even when I see one they protest, I can't even they shame una shame. No, they shame. Sometimes they talk am for social media say that land where Igbaki dey no be Igbaki people get that say na Benin dem na dem give us land. Land grabbers. If I dey see this one, I go dey laugh. I go dey laugh. Say na dem give us land. That land na Igbake people na dem get na we get that land. No be Benin land. Benin no give us land. Benin know their boundary. Una hear me? Benin dem know their boundary. Una know una boundary. Una just dey drag. We now we get that land. Shey una hear me? Na our ancestral land na im be there one dey see. No be like now, una just put eye for una side. Some of them dey talk say our king. Well, since when they pay them money, why they don't talk say they wan leave Edo State? They wan go join Anioma. Why they not talk am? Say Edo State governor dey pay them. Money wey Edo State governor dey pay them. The money dey come from Edo State there. The money dey come from federal. Yes. Say me Edo State give them the money, make them dey take up their community. But the money sef, who know whether they give them the money? Who know whether they pay them the money? Some news now I dey hear say na even that money na it cause issue when Obago dey suspend so many things for hold on local government. You go hold on local government go dey suspend people. See come Ibak go come dey suspend another people, another tribe, another language. Upon wetin dem still dey do people of our people, our school na we dey pay teacher to take off our student. Na we dey repair the hospital, dey renovate am. The court wey dey there na government court na we dey renovate am. The school na we dey renovate am. Everything wey dey there na we dey do am. Wetin Edo State dey do for Igbanke? When you think say if you do for Edo State, wetin you can't do, you get power. See, they will say yes, he suspend. Our king, they are not suspended. They are still on their throne doing their work. Yes, by the grace of God. Nothing for that Igbanke. When Edo State governor, we know they call the Edo State governor, make them come put food for our mouth. May he come give us job, may he come give us money, may he come bless us. No, we dey call am make come Igbanke, may he come take off government property where dey Igbanke. Now government property now we dey take off everything. Now we dey do am every time the Igbanke people na then they do am. Thank God for our people. I really praise them, give them hand. When I go dey protect the child, do wetin una like. And some people from Igbanke, all those bad head, all those Igbanke people, wey get bad head, when they carry our matter, they carry Igbanke, they go, they give Benin. And this one of say Igbanke give Benin. One day una go sleep, una no wake up. Now hear me. One day una go sleep, una no wake up. And this one of say Igbanke, before them born una, that Igbanke don't dey exist. Before they born una. I think una hear, Igbanke don't dey exist. I no fit say Igbanke, all of now they pass our back. Because so many things that Benin they do when we dey hear for social media, where they talk. If inside I not tell them, they no fit talk am. Yes, they no fit. They get people they give them information. Because our people say, okehunri memulo. Ya jela gwa okehunri eji. Ne azon ho enyokun. We bia, we po anu ele ri azon. The rat when they inside house. Now he go outside, go tell the rat when they outside. Say fish they close to fire, make them come, make them go eat them. Now I be waiting some people from Igbanke, all those bad head. I don't even know where did they give from Benin. Now be then they do, go to carry our matter, our community, go to tell them what did they happen. And they hear they say they want form 110, bring one person come from Igbanke, carry and go Oba of Benin. He sign paper, can go meet the Edo State governor. He sign paper, say that one I be the king when they rule over the whole Igbanke. See all the whole king when they Igbanke, they under that person. That one are the plan, enough it work. Enough it work. Igbanke not even see. On enough he said Igbanke. On how they do all this rubbish. Igbanke get only 6 king in that 6 autonomous community. We get only 6 king. Ezota, Eze Olije, Eze Ake, Eze Idmodi, Eze Ignoto, and Eze Omolwa. Now be the 6 king we get. Any other one again, they are imposter. No, only 6 king we get. Only 6 king. Any other one again, they are imposter. On this one, on our feet succeed now. Yeah. See our community. Oh my goodness. See, God go judge all of now when they do that evil. All day Igbanke, they made this rubbish. Una go sleep one day, una no wake up. I mean, people when they try to sell our land, Igbanke, to Benin. Well, una no say no fit dey possible, una no fit sell our land. Una no fit. It no fit happen. Me, I dey talk till tomorrow. Una no fit. You see our community. Even the Benin people, they say Igbake na Benin. If Igbake want do election, if for Benin, if they want contest there for Benin, they say make them go Igbake go contest. Can you imagine? Make them go Igbake go contest, but on the drag they say them be Benin. Thank God now say on already know and say Igbake not be Benin. Yes, because when on a senator they talk when they say petition, he talk say Senator Ned Nwoko one cut some parts in Edo State to join Anioma, which is Igbanke. Thank God say on a ear, on a head, now on a brain door open. No say Igbanke not be Benin. Igbanke just dey Edo State also has Benin to the Edo State. Benin and city for Edo State. The same thing Igbanke see the city for Edo in Edo State. The same way we still have Isha and another tribe. We want join Anioma State, not be a bad thing. If Anioma State come by God grace, they do boundary adjustment. Igbake join them. Now better thing. Yes. If not the will of God, and I believe say not the will of God, say that this time Anioma State go take come. I believe. So if it really happen, yes, they do boundary adjustment. Igbake join. So if they don't do referendum, make them do them. They will not for that Igbake, not before Benin. Because Igbake not be Benin. They will not for Igbake there. No matter what you are they talk, more than get before House of Senate, get any people for anywhere. That not be my business. Now Igbake there, they want do one. Igbake, except say Benin one join Anioma, they will carry and go Benin go do one for Benin people want join. But since say now Igbake say they want join, they will do one there for Igbake. Me when they talk like this, I'm not dey against Benin, and I can never one day dey against Benin. I still love them. Yes, they are my people.
What an exciting moment we are having right now in the Igbo nation. Igbos in South and Igbos in Southeast. Yes, we are having a lot of conflict here and there. A lot of people are still shaking here like a gamma lizard. But it's fun, and I want to intimate you with some things that we have been able to achieve. Yesterday, I was in Rivers State, Port Harcourt precisely. Igwocha, as the local name is being called. And it was an exciting moment. I went to attend Igbo Feast. And there's a lot of cultural display from different quarters of Igbos, including the Ikweres. Yes, I saw some Ikwere indigenes who participated. I don't know whether they came there just to catch fun or they came there because they were being paid to display. But whatever happens, the Ikweres, this music you are hearing, or this music group, is from Ikwere indigene. And they were all participating, and it's fun to see such things. But I want to thank the organizers, and I want to use the opportunity to tell them that next time they should do due diligence to carry the indigenes along. Let it not be that you are doing something. You know, there are certain things we Indi will do that is not supposed to be. And I understand the angle where you're coming from, because over the time, some people in the River State have denied their Igbo origin. So if you go there and say you are doing Igbo Day, you actually make it look as if they are not Igbo, because there's no Igbo Day in Anambra, there's no Igbo Day in Abia, there's no Igbo Day in Imo State. So if the rivers has Igbos, like we Deltas have Igbo, you don't need to come there and do Igbo Day. You're making it look as if you are doing something which we are not part of. This is where I want to carry on. But if you say Igbo festival and you want to even do it in Anioma, make sure you carry the indigenes along. This is why we are doing that conference called Igbo Zali Igbo, and we are doing it and carry with the indigenes along with other Igbos coming from the southeast, so that we look as if we are neglecting them or we are trying to tell them they are not Igbo, while we are still dragging them they are Igbos. This is what I want to say. However, you watch that video where the Igbanke man is saying that them Igbankes are Igbos and they are not Benin. We will keep repeating this because they say repetition causes effort. We'll keep bringing this information to you so that you that listening to us will understand what is going on. It is high time the Benins know the truth, that the Igbankes are tired of this. I heard a rumor that a transformer that have not been working for many months, that the Benin governor has quickly signed and they are going to send transformer to Igbankes, because now they are beginning to see Igbanke want to go. They want to start bringing the presence of government to the Igbankes. This is the reason why the people want to leave. So you have to wait for people to agitate that they are not part of you before you send a transformer to them. I heard this as a rumor. Yes, I heard it as a rumor. I want to believe that it's true. But however, this is a proof that the people are not your own, because if they are your own, you don't need them to speak up before you will bring transformer to them. This is why they are there for months without no electricity, because they are not your own. You as a governor, if those people belong to Benin or to Ishan, would you have left them in darkness? This is what we are talking about. Thank God that the Igbankes are speaking up. They are speaking up using social media, and we are going to be projecting them so that you won't say that we, because they have been accusing people like us and Igbo this, because they feel like, if I say I'm Igbo, I must come from Southeast. No, I'm from Onchubo, and you see that Onchubo people are the one championing the Anioma state, Onchubo in Delta state, and we must speak for our brother, the Igbankes. There are so many cars who are angry, and that's why so many cars are not speaking for the Igbankes, because they cannot see the need to embrace their brother. They will tell Ika is Ika, but they are indirectly going to the Benin platform to support the Benins. They cannot speak for their brothers Igbanke that have been marginalized in Edo State, because if they start speaking for the Igbankes, they have to push the Igbanke where Igbanke is going, because Igbanke is no more claiming they are just Eka. They are claiming to be Eka Igbo. And those ones are claiming Eka is Eka. We don't want to go to Southeast. We don't want to be called Igbo. And your brothers are being marginalized in another state, but you can't speak for them. This is what identity crisis has caused. This is what is called confusion. This is when you lie to yourself what it causes. When you have self-hatred for who God has made you to be. We did not choose to be Ika. We did not choose to be Enuani. We did not make choice to be called Okwani. None of us choose it. None of us choose our language. We didn't choose our parents. We didn't choose our village. It's not by choice that I become a man. None of us made that choice. It is naturally given to us. Yes, we understand the angle where it's coming from. But in the 21st century, you need to sit down and tell yourself the truth. It is only when you tell yourself the truth you can be able to set yourself free. If I did not sit down and tell myself the truth, we won't be fighting for Anioma state today. Because it's when I now sit down and tell myself the truth and I say, if we are Igbos, why can't we ask for Igbo one more state and let it come from us? That is why I'm speaking for the Igbankes. If we are Igbos and the Igbankes are Igbos, knowing fully that this is an Igbo dialect, why can't we speak for them? Why should they be in a state where they are being marginalized? See, we have been able to establish this fact. Even if tomorrow that the Igbanke did not leave Edo State, there's a fact that everybody know where that these people are being marginalized. And everybody know they are Igbos in Edo State today. I'm out of here, Joe.